Welcome to Fixing Expert. Today, we're diving into no-drill blinds, an ideal solution for anyone looking to enhance their window treatments without drilling holes. From magnetic blinds to easy tension rod installations, we'll explore the top options to upgrade your space hassle-free. Magnetic blinds. These attach directly to metal window frames using strong magnets, making them easy to install and remove. Ideal for metal doors or windows, they don't require screws. 2. Tension rod blinds. Tension rods fit between the sides of your window frame, holding the blind securely in place. These are perfect for smaller windows and provide a clean, minimalistic look. 3. Stick-on blinds. With adhesive backing, stick-on blinds can be mounted directly to the window frame. These are often made from lightweight materials and come in various designs. 4. Clip-on blinds. Clip-on blinds easily snap onto your window frame without causing damage. They are usually lightweight and great for temporary solutions or rented spaces. 5. Command hook blinds. Using command hooks, you can hang blinds without causing permanent damage. These hooks are strong enough to hold blinds in place and can be removed without leaving marks. Where to shop for no-drill blinds? If you're wondering where to shop, head over to fixingexpert.ae, where we offer a diverse selection of no-drill blinds. Whether you're seeking adhesive roller blinds or tension-fit blinds, our collection caters to every style and need. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found this guide on no-drill blinds helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tap that notification bell so you never miss our expert home improvement tips. At Fixing Expert, we're here to make your home transformation easy and stylish. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.